Hello and welcome to our video explaining how to sew a patch pocket. You can start by finishing off the edges of the pocket all around with an overlock or zigzag stitch. In our case, the fabric is so thin and transparent that you would see this, which is why we omit this step. We first fold the upper seam allowance and press. Then fold the bag at the marked fold line of your sewing pattern and press again. Now, unfold the last fold and right sides together, sew along the sides. Turn and form the edges well using a wooden tool or knitting needle. When using thicker fabric, you might want to clip the corners. Now fold all the seam allowances around the pocket on the left side and press well. To achieve perfectly crisp folds, press a wooden sewing block onto the freshly ironed fabric. The wood quickly absorbs moisture, enhancing the sharpness and definition of each fold. Now take your front piece and mark the spot of your breast pocket using sewing chalk. Pin or baste the pocket to the designated spot on your front piece. Top stitch the pocket and secure the opening edges with a small stitched triangle to reinforce the corner of the pocket. For enhanced durability, pull the thread to the left side and tie a knot. Thanks for watching. In the next chapter, we'll show you how to finish the side seams with a flat felt seam.